guys, today's video is gonna be very different. I'm on my scooter right now, as you can see. It's gonna be a short ride to MOA. I'm gonna be doing something there on near MOA, so might as well just vlog. And I also haven't been posting for a while. Tagal na ako di nakapag-post because I've been busy. Firstly, I am preparing my stuff for my graduation, job hunting and all that. Secondly, because of the weather, because in the Philippines it has been raining pretty hard lately. So it's hard for me to go out, it's hard for me to vlog or shoot content, lalo na kapag maulan. Diba? Paano yun? Diba? How am I supposed to cooperate with the rain as a moto vlogger, moto videographer, whatever, it's hard. I also have a new filter on my camera, so you guys tell me if it's malinaw or hindi. Tell me how's the new camera filter I have. Also tweak the settings a little bit because I want everything to be perfect. I want my settings to be perfect so that I won't have to fix them early on or later on. I need to fix the wiring of my helmet because the wiring isn't the best. I can feel the wires on my cheeks. So what I love about this scooter is that it's small and nimble, compared to my Duke, compared to the bigger bike. Yeah, open road. Ang luwag ito sa part na to sa C4. Saya. So, ito nga, when it comes to Manila driving, city driving, itong scooter, ang favorite kong gamitin kumpara sa Duke. Though masarap din na gamitin ng Duke. Pero usually kasi, when it comes to city driving or Manila driving, laging traffic, laging kang humihinto. There's no area na walang traffic minsan. Especially during rush hours. Mas okay pang palipasin mo na lang muna yung rush hour kaysa makipagsabayan pa sa rush hour. Layo pala na pupuntahan ko, so mukha pa palang kailan nag-sink in sa akin. At natamad na ako. Tinamad. Nakatamad bumiyahe. Wow. Alam nyo guys, delikado dito tuwing gabi. Ang daming mga shit na nangyayari dito tuwing gabi. Kaya sa gabi, lahat ng sasakyan dito mabibilis mga ayaw machempuan. So, may bagong filter yung GoPro ko guys. So, may shades yung lens ko sa GoPro. Wow! Salamat! Manila, going back to Manila. If it's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig. Naging aesthetic yung ulan ni-romanticize nila yung raining in Manila. Raining in Manila, di ako makakauwi. If it's raining in Manila, hindi na makakauwi. Shit, ang daming truck. Tapos hindi ako tumatay dito sa C4 Oh shit, truck, bus. Lati mo na. Basta ako motor ko pa, lit mo. Good luck na lang, Pero sa gabi naman, maluwag dito. Iniisip ko pa rin bili pa kaya ako isa pang scooter. Itong parang ADV 150, 160 ganun. Para lang, relax yung biyahe ko. Kapag, hindi naman dapat lagi naka-big bike Ay, nagas pa lang, talo ka Diba? Pwede rin naman mag-scooter lang. Hindi ko lang ba't ito ako pinadaan ni Google Maps. Di ba traffic kaya sa kabila? Ito niya ako pinalusot I'm feeling explorative kaya ginawa ko to. Explorative alam mo naman pakalayo ng detour. Double U-turn ako. Ba yan? Ba't hindi na ako dito dumaan? Pinapa-U-turn ako dito. Hindi ko lang kung pwede mag-U-turn dito. Feeling ko pwede naman. Pwede naman siguro. Nakalagay na no U-turn. Kaya yun ako pa hinahanap yung kung merong no U-turn. Bilis lang pupuntang Boa. Only took me around 30 minutes. 3-0. Tapos sabihin natin 40. Mas traffic pa sa amin kaysa dito eh. Pero yun lang, madaming truck. So guys, pauwi na. Inabot na tayo ng hapon. Star City. Bagong Star City. Hindi pa ako na makapasok sa bago niyan. Tropical hot. Meron pala dyan. Parking pala to. Takala ko pila ng mga... Hindi sila nakapark sa gilid. Ano meron? Pulutan fest. The fuck? Taka parking. Naging parking tong kalsada. What the fuck? Okay, so back to the topic now. Why I haven't been vlogging? Because I've been busy with my job hunting since I am now a fresh graduate. I gotta secure the bag. So yes, you gotta secure the bag. Secondly, it's been raining recently, especially last week. There was like non-stop downpour of rain. Dire-diretso yung ulan. So, you really can't vlog din eh. Saan anong gagawin mo? Dire-diretso yung ulan, diba? I'm just gonna stay at home and do nothing. You really can't fight nature. So I just decided to bring my GoPro today just to record. It's coming so sunset. Uy, ang tao. Dami nag-picture. Kita ba? Kita nyo ba guys yung sunset? Kitang-kita ako eh. Yeah. But I am still planning to, you know, make more rides in the future, so also shoot more content. Tawid kayo kung kailang green. Sinasabi ko. Sarap. Kalesa.